true story, so pull up a chair. And don't get me wrong, cause the K is well aware of Christians holding back corruption with the power of prayer, and unsung heroes with the crosses they bear. But just this morning I got home from the studio. My roommate told last night's drama how it goes. Right in front of my apartment door, a group of young brothers that's hard to the core, cheering this dope man and laughing like it's funny as he beat down a dope fiend who didn't have his money, slamming the guy on my porch and the neighbors, telling his customer he ran out of favors. After 30 minutes he drug him 100 yards away. You get 3 guesses of the next card he played. If only one Christian would have been on the scene, I don't care if he or she only knew John 3:16, that brother's life would have no doubt been spared, instead of facing judgment while the demons just stared. Where are the Christians and where did they go? Does some get together, stroking each other's ego? Or maybe wearing some anointed convention tag while the harvest is in rehab or wearing body bags? So come with me to the place where the junkie died. Check out the look on his face in your mind's eye. That just ain't no placebo the TV hands us. You might as well clip your heels like Dorothy and go back to Kansas. You better say much more than no to the devil, cause this is 92 and I'm gripping him on another level. When Satan tempts you and he says that it's your own brain, tell him your mama and get off you in Jesus' name. Don't be his toy, you got to let that joker know quick, so you won't be the one that he picks the Vic. If I ain't saying what you like, go get your money back. He that win his souls is wise, apocalypse will never lack. We creep incognito with the Bible, then pounce at the brothers on the cut, tossing up the 40 ounce. Then sit back, get full and brag about killing, while the Christians only nag the Father for a good feeling. The way to take a city, take them one at a time. Action speaks louder than words and many clever rhymes. So now I've said it, here's my face, take a shot at my pride, and then come with me to your streets and stop a homicide. How can a Christian stop this poisonous venom? Well, if it's not your problem, then your action is minimum. If you're the salt of the earth, then preserve it. Giving that job to the cops means you don't deserve it. Saying it's not your problem means you're thinking it's clouded, so you better do something, cause the jails are way overcrowded. Not pointing the finger, just holding up the mirror. Compare yourself to the word, the picture's even clearer. Look at your life, then look at Christ and tell me why he died. Then taste the bread of life before you taste formaldehyde.
Cruising through the boulevard, checking out the aisle, digging in my trench to see how many tracks I have. A boulevard main spot is gonna be rough and tough. Gangsters known for calling your bluff. Enough, I'm from Chicago, Pimp Daddy, and I got no fears. I stopped to think I've been saved for 7 years. A terrorist from the old school, I never had to break north. But in the street you on that good as your last report. Killing for sport, that go on brother right there. A devil look in his eyes, you know you better be aware. Compare a dividend riches and gold. What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Sunday morning service, churches are packed, white and black. Don't believe in miracles, or children struggle crack. Attack, deliverance now, yes they deliver here. A child shot and killed, all the kids are disappearing. Who cares?
Nobody cares, cause the beat is real hard.
Only tears shed, family sprayed in his front yard. I knew the kid watched a young man gain a foe. He never took time to fight to save his soul. Backtrack, rewind to the days when he was 9, all the way to his death, left in his prime. The spirit have a message,
gonna make it real clear.
It's only for those who have a ear to hear.
It only takes a second to open up your mind.
Cause all we're rapping is the signs of the time.
Break out the revelation, I'll make it fresh.
You don't receive this message, you will fail the test.
All eyes are on Al Capone's microphone.
Rap so swift, you think it was a poem. mafioso did in his funeral. What a scandalous sight. He might go to heaven to toast tonight. Sight the pipe, addicted to that Snow White girl. I'm not talking Caucasian, no. Cocaine was his death world. There go the preacher shaking hands. He's got to meet you when you step in eternity. What force will greet you? Have a seat.
If Reverend Preacher said he was a good man,
Little did they know, he was a crook man, forever rejecting the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. You live by the sword, you die by the sword, my Lord. How many more jury-related killings have Dylan? A psychopath lunatic, got ready villain. So I'm reaching down deep in my heart zone on a phone, speaking out of our things of other weak and a strong with it. I'm preaching about a minute, all the way down with it. In the style of the what you know ambassador did it. It's the flashbacks of the days of old, when Jameson life was totally out of control. Back in the days, I see